Alright, so I can now confidently say that my Pixel 6 Pro is now completely fixed. Yes, whatever Google put in that update a few days ago has completely fixed my Pixel 6 Pro. All of the issues that I was experiencing before, I don't experience anymore, except for that Twitter issue that I did mention that same exact date that we got the update on this phone. I did mention that, Twitter was still a little bit, stuttering here and there. So I am still experiencing that issue. But aside from that, I mean, everything has been fixed. And if you have been keeping up with me here on the channel, and all the videos that I've been putting out with this phone, if you've watched my full review, I even showed proof of some of these issues. You'll know that I have been experiencing quite a bit of issues with my Pixel 6 Pro. Now, I can't say the same thing for my Pixel 6. My Pixel 6 has actually been running a lot better than my Pixel 6 Pro even before the update. So I really don't have a lot to talk about when it comes to issues with this phone right here. I mean, it was running good before, it's running really good now, even after that update. So Pixel 6 doing pretty good. But when it comes to my Pixel 6 Pro right here, yes, it is finally fixed. I was experiencing things like app crashes, my YouTube Studio app, the Twitter app, even, aside from the stuttering that I experienced here and there, even that app was crashing. My Gmail app was crashing. I would try to send emails or sometimes it would just freeze on me. And speaking of freezing, sometimes my phone would freeze up or just start acting up on its own and start doing things on its own where I'm just like, yo, what the heck is going on? And I even showed proof of this in my original review video, I believe it was. I'll link it down in the description below in case you haven't checked it out yet. But yeah, there was a time where, my phone was just tripping out. It was doing things on its own. And I believe this happened twice to me, if I'm not, well, it happened more than twice, but I think I was able to get it on camera twice. And yeah, I don't experience any more of those app crashes with either one of those apps and other apps as well. Even my text messaging app would crash on me sometimes or just freeze up on me. It's been good, these past few days since I've gotten this update. My phone doesn't trip out anymore and, do its own thing. Battery life, I do notice, has slightly improved. I mean, battery life for me on this phone already was, it wasn't the best. I would just barely make it through my work day. And then as soon as I got home from work, I would have to throw this baby on a charger if I did want to continue, making it through the rest of my day. Well, now after this update over this past few days, I have noticed that battery life has improved a little bit. So I'm able to make it, a little bit longer throughout my day. But everybody has, different experiences when it comes to battery life. Some people are having, absolutely great battery life, or you're like me where, battery life is just okay. But then again, everybody's usage is different as well. But yeah, this update has definitely got me enjoying this device just so much more. And I already was enjoying it a lot, especially because of the cameras on this phone right here. That's one reason I have kept this phone by my side since day one. Whether it's my main device for that day or my secondary device for that day, it doesn't matter. This phone was always with me. And now that we finally have the update that has fixed everything on this phone, I'm hoping it, at least for what I use my phone for, it has fixed everything. I am able to enjoy it so much more. Like I mentioned that first day of the update as well, the fingerprint sensor has definitely been improved. I wouldn't say faster. I know for some people, it does seem like it's working faster for them. For me, honestly, the speed of it pretty much feels the same, but the accuracy has definitely improved. So even though, it's not the fastest fingerprint sensor, I mean, it's still accurate. Every single time I am pressing it, it opens the phone up. I don't have to worry about, trying it again and finally it opens up. Like before, there were times where I literally have to try 3-4 times before it actually unlocked my phone. So accuracy has definitely improved. And I'm even using a tempered glass screen protector, which should, kind of, bring that accuracy down a little bit, but it's actually still working really good. So yeah, I just wanted to update you all real quick because I know I was getting people asking me in that original video that I put out when I had first originally got the update, like, well, what has it fixed? What's going on? How's the phone working now? And I really couldn't say too much in that video. That video was more just to update you guys and let you guys know, like, hey, we got a new update on your phone. Go look for it, update it, and then a couple days later, let me know how it's working out for you. So far, in that first video, everything was working good. But now that I have gotten to use this phone, for the past few days since the update, it's definitely been fixed. It's definitely been a way more enjoyable experience. Thank you, Google. Thank you for finally sending out that update because I've been waiting since I was on the November 5th update. So yeah, I definitely ran into a lot of issues with this phone right here since then. And it just seemed like they were building up and building up. And like I was just getting more and more and more as the days went on. I was just patiently waiting for this update. So this phone has definitely been a whole lot more enjoyable. I do have a separate video coming really soon here for the Pixel 6 to let you know what my experience has been like so far with this phone right here. I really don't have too many videos. Actually, I don't have any videos out on this device just yet. I've been wanting to use it a bit more, you know, to really get a good feel of it, to see what I think about this, you know, compared to this right here. And I gotta say, I've been enjoying this Pixel 6. I mean, it's, I don't know. I kind of like it, but you just have to wait and see. But thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you've already updated your Pixel 6 Pro or Pixel 6, how's that update treating you? How has your phone been performing since then? If you were experiencing any issues at all before, are they now fixed, or are there still some things that, you know, you still feel need fixed? Let me know down in the comment sections below. Like I said, it's only been a few days, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick update to let you know how this phone has been working out since that update. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up, subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.